Hello guys, now I'm going to explain how to create a web page using HTML. First of all, what we have to do is we have to create a notepad with .html extension as shown in this window. If you see this window, you can see that example.html as file name and save as type is all files. So once we have done it, we'll go to the next step. That is, we will open the file and write the HTML code. By default, the document type HTML is compulsory and we have to mention it for each and every HTML file. And each and every HTML tag should be end with the same thing. This is the opening HTML tag, this is the closing. For any tag there should be opening and there should be closing, and there will be head. In this head we will write some styles, some JavaScript kind of stuff and all, and this is the title what we want to show on top of the page title. So this is the header part. Here we only show that page title. And now, so I already explained that we are going to create JavaScript or CSS that we explain later, and then we start creating body. Body means in that web page what kind of content we need, that is what required. So for example, we have certain anchors like H1, H2, H3. H1 means it's a big font will come. H2 small, H3 even small, H4 even small, and P like kind of paragraph like we normally see in our book. So that kind of stuff it will be there. So guys, you observe here the body is being opened here and it's been closed here, and once that is been done, and HTML also we have to close it. Once all is been done, now hit save button and open example1.html. Once you open the example1.html with this code, and you will be able to see this page. This is the H1. H1 means you have big letters and it's a paragraph kind of stuff. In my screen I am showing it small, and it will be better than this. This how about the first program what you can do with HTML, and we'll go move on further one by one. Okay, thank you.